The bandsaw 2.5 is a killer deal. Then you got this mower. You got the buy one get one clearance, guys. 69. Got the top June deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can be able to review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Talking about greatest deals, check this one out. $4.98. This is a really nice box. Really like the blue and the stainless steel color. Check this out. This one's $2.49. This is actually a pretty good deal. It does include the side. In some other stores, they do sell you the side separately, and it's actually not a bad little deal for this one. They do come in different colors. Talking about different colors, check out the black and blue. This is a very nice color mixture. $4.98 for the 46-inch 9-drawer. They do come in different colors. Clearance, guys, $69 down from $199. This is the 15-inch string trimmer kit. It does come with the battery and charger. Even the battery by itself, guys, it's worth more than, yes, it is worth more than $69. You got another clearance for $126. This is a pull attachment for the attachment capable string trimmer, or the power head, you want to say. You got the chainsaw chain, 14-inch, $20. So mostly all Eagle stuff is on clearance. All right, so $200 off when you purchase $500 or more, or $100 if you purchase $300 or more. So those are the items right there that do qualify for that deal. $83 off from $239 for the wheeled edger. Guys, I do recommend this, especially for the if you're doing yard work and dust and all that stuff. Yeah, that's the best one, the 3M, guys. So do not use the Milwaukee one. That one sucks. You can smell everything through that mask. All right, so $439. This is the top tier, the self-propelled model. Then you want to save some money. $299 will get it done, basically. If you want to maintain that yard. Same thing with this one. You get buy a mower, get a blower or string trimmer for free. These deals run until the 19th. You get the California Framer 19-ounce. Pretty nice. $23 for the 18-ounce hammer. Down from $25. It's just tough build. Really like the design on this one. $24 for the vacuum cleaner accessory, or underwater accessory. Underwater vacuum cleaner. You got a Cobalt 40-volt LED light, $39 off from $98. You got this power inverter, 300 watt for $99. Got this reciprocating saw, $103 down from $129. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all for those. You got this drill, $79 down from $99. Then you got this mower, $179 down from $299, almost half price. So that's actually pretty good for that one. You got a USB Surge Blue, $31 down from $34. That's nice for the a blue toolbox, or maybe a black toolbox. Not bad at all. And then you got this retractable one pack, $18 down from $24. You got this pressure washer on sale for $359. Not bad at all. And then this one's $179 for this electric or pressure washer. $79 for this toolbox. These are all sale items that they have at the front of the store. And then $149 for that 16-gauge finish nailer. So not bad at all for these Craftsmen. They still got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of those kits there, including those two batteries, get a free tool, oscillating tool, and then you got the jigsaw. The inflator, there's a whole bunch of tools you guys could choose from. $149 down from $179 for this 26-inch workbench. Not bad at all. And then they got these for $99, your choice. Any other ones on the left, definitely get those, guys. Those are really good deals. Impact driver and drill driver for $169. Guys, I believe this one is the 840, the impact driver. This is one of the most strongest one that they have. I do have a few videos out there, even comparing it to the top of the line Milwaukee. You might want to check those videos out. It's just funny how that thing works. It's really strong. And then they actually named it their starter kit, basically, or their starter impact driver. All right, so these are $19.98. These are actually getting rare to find at the stores. $19.98 for this 2-pack of safety glasses. Now, I don't know if they're fog free or not. $19.98 for this 50-piece drive set or the drill driver set. So we do got some bits there and some star bits. And it looks like some Robertsons and some extensions there. Do apologize for the sound on the back. Alright, so then this is the 21-piece drill bit set. And then you got the Klein, $24.98. This is the Lowe's Pro. So these are some testers, some contact voltage GSI receptacle testing kit. That's the technical name. I call them testers. $24.98 for the 35 or the 35 G2. So I'll show you guys the difference. This is just a regular 35 Shockwave G2. Not bad at all. And there's the other one. So there's you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the bottom, you get a free tool on the top. The radio, the fan, all those are available for that. Those are all brushless tools, including the radio, right? Of course. $69. That's for a quarter impact driver. And $199 your choice here for these. But I did see something different. I don't know if it was a wrong tag or the wrong name or the wrong place for it. But that's the one for $199. Includes all those tools. Those are brush tools. But check this one. This one said $149, so it's actually cheaper than $199. I don't know if it's actually that's the price. All right, then you got the buy one, not the buy one get one free, but $69 your choice on the left and $99 your choice on the right. 140-piece screwdriver bit set, $39 and from $44. You got all sorts of nut drivers. You got some socket adapters there to the right, some star bits, some Robertsons there at the bottom, a Tic Tac case there on the left. Some more Robertson, some drill bits, some Phillips drivers there on the right. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy the 2 batteries or the 2 batteries and charger, get a free tool. So you can get these pack of 2 4s or this what is it, 2 5s for $2.99 and get your choice of a free tool. They are XR tools. You guys know, top of the line, including the oscillating tool impact driver. 3.5 amp hour battery starter kit for, and buy that and get a free 24-volt tool. These are the buy one get one free from the Flex. This is valid to 7/31/2024. So yeah, the radio, those are all nice tools. The router, the jigsaw, those are all really nice tools. And then they got this deal. They got the free, and they got a drill circular saw light for $2.99 from $3.49. It is a hammer drill, according to what it says there. But check this out, guys. It's actually a really good deal for this Bulldog SDS Plus. $149 from $199. $50 off on this one. I don't know if this one's actually available for a buy one get one free as it says right there. You might want to double check the numbers and double check your stores. That's 3, and then yeah, buy the 18-volt tool, get a free 4 amp hour starter kit for the Bosch. So it's basically the same thing that we just saw. And then they got these on clearance again, guys. This is a year later. $143, and this one's $111, jumped from $139. It's a quarter-inch impact driver. Subcompact drill kits. This one's $103, down from $129. And then they got this one on clearance, a compact 4-piece combo kit Metabo. $239, down from $299. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna see that even lower. Oscillating tool for $79, down from $99. Select Metabo 18-volt tool. Get a free 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries and charger for free. So that's a really good deal if you guys are in the Metabo or want to get into the Metabo. $59 on clearance for $99 or from $99. It's a impact wrench from the Cobalts. And then they got $59 for the heat gun, guys. This is actually pretty good. A lot of you want the heat gun. There you go for the Cobalts. That's another tag for it, and then we'll just look at it in a second. Right there, that's what it looks like. $111, down from $139. This is drill driver kits. That's from the Craftsman's, and these are brushless. RPs are brushless. And then if you want the whole kit here, this is a killer deal for $143, getting impact driver and drill driver, 2 batteries, charger, and a case. That's pretty good. You got extension set on clearance for $52, down from $69. a torque extension kit. And then these are $38 and from 44. These are 11-piece wrench sets. There's a couple of them and a bandsaw 2.5 amp Porter cable. $197 then from $219 for the bench bandsaw, 9-inch. And they got this one, bench grinding wheel, $537 then from $898 from the Cobalts. And that's it, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.